Hello everybody and welcome to today's video. This is Debadrita from Parul Academy, and in this video let us discuss about development of embryo sac or female gametophyte, which is called mega gametogenesis. The embryo sac is present in the nucellus region of the ovule towards the micropylar end. This embryo sac is usually formed from a haploid megaspore cell, also called functional megaspore. This haploid megaspore cell is formed from diploid megaspore mother cell MMC. একটা মেগাস্পোর থেকে এই ধরনের এমব্রায়ো স্যাকের তৈরি হওয়াকে বলা হয় মনোস্পোরিক ডেভেলপমেন্ট। ফাংশনাল মেগাস্পোর একটা ফিমেল গ্যামেটোফাইট বা এমব্রায়ো স্যাকের প্রথম সেল। This functional megaspore is one of the 4 megaspores that are produced through the process of megasporogenesis. The nucleus of the functional megaspore divides mitotically to form a 8-nucleate state. After this stage, the organization of the typical female gametophyte or the embryo takes place. The cell division here is free nuclear type, that is, no cell wall formation occurs after the nuclear division. At first, the nucleus of the functional megaspore divides mitotically to form 2 nuclei which move to the opposite poles, forming the 2-nucleate embryo sac. Nuclear division results in the formation of 4-nucleate and later 8-nucleate stage of the embryo sac. 6 of the 8 nuclei are surrounded by cell walls and organized into cells. The remaining 2 nuclei, called polar nuclei, are situated below the egg apparatus in the large central cell. 3 cells group together at the micropylar end and constitute the egg apparatus. The egg apparatus consists of 2 synergids and 1 egg cell. The filiform apparatus, which are special cellular thickening having finger-like projections from the cell wall, are found in these synergids. They appear towards the micropylar tip and guides the pollen tube into the synergids. At the chalazal end, 3 cells are present called antipodals. Thus, a typical angiosperm embryo sac at maturity is 8-nucleate and 7-celled. That is, 3 micropylar cells including a large middle cell and 2 synergids with filiform apparatus, the 3 chalazal cells also called antipodals, and 1 central cell which contains 2 polar nuclei and is the largest cell in the embryo sac. অনেক সময় এই দুটো পোলার নিউক্লিয়াই ফিউজ করে তৈরি করে একটি ডিপ্লয়েড সেকেন্ডারি নিউক্লিয়াই বা ফিউশন নিউক্লিয়াই or definitive nuclei. This entire process of the development of female gametophyte or embryo sac is called mega gametogenesis. Question time.
How many nucleus does a typical angiospermic embryo sac have at maturity? Answer is, at maturity the embryo sac is 8-nucleate and 7-celled. Thank you.